Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. And today I want to talk to you about our Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain and why you should use that on your next project. One, it's very easy to apply. You can use a brush, sprayer, pad, any way you want to. It's really easy. It goes on really easy. Just super easy product to use, very user friendly. Next, it's mildew resistant. You don't have to worry about your organic growth, your mold, mildew. It's going to keep it away. It's going to resist that. It can be applied to wet or damp wood, even dry wood. It can any scenario. This is great for scheduling, whether you're a landscaper or you have a trade where you're on a tight schedule, or whether you're a painter, whether you're a homeowner. It's not going to matter. You could actually clean your deck in the morning, wait a few minutes, get right onto it and start staining, get it all done in one day. So it's really easy as far as your scheduling. VOC compliant. You don't have to worry about anything. It's environmentally friendly. This is going to be a super easy product for you to use, and again, it's really good for the environment. It's UV resistant, so those hot sun rays, it's not going to bother it. It's going to last. It's going to hold up. Superior water beating, you'll see that as soon as you apply this and you get your first rain, you'll see how it deters the water. It's penetrating. It's different than most water base. It's actually going to go into the wood. We call it the water base that performs like an oil base, because it does. It actually goes into the wood, not like many of the other water bases today. Next, it's durable. It's going to hold up. Most, you're lucky if you get 2 years out of a lot of the products. Ours is going to last 2 to 3 years on those horizontal surfaces. And then it's real easy because the ease of maintenance is amazing. You just come back year 2, anytime after year 2, 3, before it starts to break down, you do a light cleaning and you recoat. And you never have to strip it off or do anything again, like reinvent the wheel. Very easy product to use. So now that we've done that, let me show you how we do our demo. Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I want to talk to you about our Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain, our Moorestown brown tone. Our Moorestown brown is our darker brown tone. It's excellent for not just coverage, but it's that nice warm dark look that a lot of people really like. What's one of our most popular are colors and tones. And what we want to talk to you about is this can be applied to wet wood or dry wood. Because it's a water-based stain that actually penetrates into the wood, you don't have to worry about mold and mildew issues that you do with oils. The VOC compliance is excellent. We don't have anything to worry about there. And it's just a nice warm stain that goes on real easy, and we're going to show you that right now. So we've already pre-wet some wood. I'll just throw a little bit more water on there. Okay, so you'll be able to see that it's applied to wet or dry wood. We're going to put on one coat now, then we recommend in about 10 to 30 minutes putting on a second coat. So what we're going to do is we'll do that now, and then when we put on after we put on the second coat, we'll come back and let you see how it dries and what it looked like. So this is our Moorestown brown. Again, it's our darker tone. You're still going to be able to see the grain through the wood, which is what you should be able to see. And it's going to give it that, again, that nice dark tone. So again, we recommend with all of our stains letting them sit for about 10 to 30 minutes. Because they're water-based, they are more forgiving, so if it dries up a little more, you're still okay putting the second coat down, whereas when you're dealing with oils, it's wet on wet. If the first coat dries, it'll repel itself. There's a little bit more forgiving. The best part about our stains is when you come back for the maintenance in a couple of years, 2 to 3 years, the retention's amazing. It's an easy clean, and then you just put it on the top and replenish it again and recoat. So we'll go ahead and just put on a second coat right now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come back in about 10 minutes, 30 minutes. We'll see how it all dried, and you'll see how it's the same tone, same color, and we'll just go over it. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood of Deck Restoration Plus, and this is our Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain Moorestown brown. I'm back to show you how this dried on the wet wood and the dry wood, and you can tell pretty visibly, pretty easily, that you can't tell the difference, that it looks the same. So this is a penetrating stain that goes into the wood. It's going to last just as long on wet wood or dry wood. Great product. Again, you can tell by the result, it's going to be the same. So again, just come back in 2 or 3 years. We're going to do a light cleaning on this. We're going to recoat, replenish it where it wore. It won't peel. This is the product for you for deck maintenance. So whether you're a homeowner, whether you're a contractor, it just makes it so much easier to restore using this product. you.